Hello friends, you are welcome on my channel Kids BOON. It is the fourth video of cursive writing series. Today we are going to learn letter C and E based on stroke number 1. You are requested to watch the full video if you want the maximum benefit of it. Please don't skip it. So let's start. C. C says ka. Kaka, cat. Kaka, corn. First, we put the dots on the third line. सबसे पहले हम कॉपी में डॉट लगाएंगे. Pencil on the dot, make a slant line up. Again, pencil on the dot, make a slant line up, make a slight curve. Slant line up, make a slight curve, come back to the same line and make a curve. Again, slant line up, slant line up, make a curve, slant line up, make a curve, come back to the same line and make a open curve. This is C. Now we learn letter E. E says E and A. E for engine, igloo, English, egg, etc. Now same process, put on the dot. Pencil on the dot, make a slant line up. Make a slant line up, turn with crossing the slant line and tail. Slant line up, take a turn with crossing the slant line and tail. एक तिरछी रेखा खींचे, फिर एक टर्न लेते हुए स्लांट लाइन को क्रॉस करते हुए एक कर्व बनाए, बिल्कुल सी की तरह से. दिस इज ई. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ इसे एक लाइक कर दे और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन का बटन दबाएं. थैंक यू.